there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Now that we've entered March, a wave of new products has arrived at IKEA. I believe around 300 new items have been added all at once. So today I'm going to introduce some of the most exciting new arrivals. I found an incredibly cute cushion.
The color combination is so vibrant and playful, isn't it? This is not just a cushion cover. It comes with the filling as well. I'll be introducing new products one after another like this,
so be sure to stay with me until the end. First up, take a look at this.
An insanely adorable mug has just been released. The reddish one on the left was launched previously, but now a new green version has been added to the lineup.
Which color would you choose?
This mug is made of heat-resistant glass, making it safe for both the microwave and the dishwasher. It also features an oversized handle, giving it a stylish and functional design. I've already received messages from people saying they've bought it, so I think it's going to be super popular.
IKEA might already be in summer mode. They have released so many summer-themed colorful accessories.
Here we have a placemat. The fringed edges add such a cute touch. It will surely brighten up your table.
The combination of orange and blue is just too adorable.
And in the same series, there's also a tablecloth available.
This pattern is also incredibly cute.
And it's a round-shaped tablecloth. The base color is not white, but more of a beige tone, which gives it a warm and elegant feel. They also have paper napkins in the same design. Even bold patterns like these are easy to incorporate when using paper napkins.
They'll be perfect for a picnic.
Speaking of picnics, here's a cooler bag. IKEA releases one every year around this time,
but this year's design is extra cute.
It features blue stripes. This is the larger size, and there's also a smaller version with navy polka dots. These cooler bags tend to be quite popular every year.
But this year, there's also a special version, and it's amazing.
It has 2 layers, and it even comes with straps inside to keep items secure. You could also store other small items securely.
Another yearly favorite, these plastic glasses are perfect for outdoor use.
They're lightweight and dishwasher safe. There's even a wine glass style version available. I actually own a different color from a previous release, and my child loves drinking juice from it.
It makes them feel special.
Since they're made of plastic, they are safe for small children to use. The light blue shade of this year's version is super cute.
IKEA's displays are always so fun to look at.
This one looked like a dog performing a summoning ritual,
which was really funny.
This is a hooded towel, perfect for small children
because it's just so cute. It's made of GOTS-certified organic cotton.
The outside has a waffle texture, while the inside is absorbent terry fabric. The muted colors are also really charming. In the same series, they also have light blankets and baby bedding sets. Additionally, they sell baby bibs, which are extremely lightweight and perfect for on-the-go use. These come in a set of 2 with different patterns. The display even had a plush toy wearing one as a model.
How cute is that?
Recently, plastic bibs have also become available. They are super affordable and dishwasher safe.
Now let's talk about a lamp that's trending on Instagram. This lamp is really interesting.
You can hang it from the ceiling, or you can place it on the floor like this. When hanging from the ceiling, it looks upside down compared to its floor position. It is not portable, but plug-in style, and it makes quite a statement. The light bulb is already included. It's an LED bulb. It's super stylish and easy to place on the floor.
Next, I want to talk about IKEA base seats, which I highly recommend.
I recently bought a Japanese snowbell branch, Dudan Tsutsuji, online using an app I always rely on. It was affordable, including shipping, so I highly recommend it. These branches have started appearing more frequently lately. I'll leave a link in the description. The branches I received were quite large, so I divided them into 2 vases, both from IKEA's KONSTFULL series. The branches might look a bit wild, but the wide mouth with uneven edges helps hold them in place. Without this design, the long branches would have just toppled over. The wide opening also makes it easy to clean, which is a plus. Recently, IKEA released garden shears with orange handles again.
But I couldn't get them. They were already sold out. I was so disappointed.
I should have grabbed them when I saw them. Now, let's head back to the store for more new product introductions. A fabric tote bag has just been released. Seeing this pattern, I almost thought it was Christmas again. Guess the sudden cold weather fooled me. But this bag features adorable animal illustrations. There's even a small inner pocket inside.
Here's another cute new product.
A dusty blue-colored item. Is this shade trending this year? I feel like I've seen so many releases in this color. From the popular EKOLN series, a light gray turquoise color has been added. For small spaces like bathrooms, just swapping out these 3 items
Can give your space a fresh new look.
The beige version has always been popular, but this blue version also has a matte texture and
Looks fantastic.
the same series now has a pedal-operated trash bin. In a previous video, I introduced an IKEA designer's home, and they were using the EKOLN series in beige in their bathroom.
It totally matches stylish interiors as well.
They also released a matching toilet brush with a chrome-finished handle that adds a stylish touch.
I love how you can match everything in this series.
The other available colors are beige and black.
Now I'd like to introduce the items I purchased. This is not everything. I actually bought more.
It really feels like a lot of new products arrived all at once. Let's start with this basket. This is from the IKEA 365 Plus series. It is sold as a food storage basket. It also comes in beige.
This basket is quite large, isn't it?
Since it's white and made of mesh, it looks similar to the Risator basket, but the mesh is a bit finer. The lid closed more securely than I expected. With the Risator basket, there was an issue where you couldn't stack them, but this one can be stacked,
Which is great.
That makes it really useful for storing potatoes or vegetables. Now, about the smaller one, it doesn't close as tightly. But then again, does a mesh container really need to be airtight? I thought the rubber seal might not be necessary, so I decided to remove it while recording this voiceover, and when I tried pulling it off, it just slid right out so smoothly. I think this rubber seal isn't needed. Apparently, this lid is the same as the one for the IKEA 365 Plus glass containers. But since my old one is quite dated, they didn't look identical to me at first. However, they do have the same product number.
Are they really the same? I feel like they look completely different.
Doesn't the thickness seem totally different? I compared them for a while, and I noticed that the newer one actually opens and closes much more smoothly on the glass container. These lids can be quite hard to open, right? Anyway, when it comes to this mesh basket, I think it's fine to remove the rubber seal. What would you put in it? The design is really cute, isn't it? Since it's technically a kitchen item,
I think I'll use it in my kitchen.
Originally, I bought it thinking I'd use it for bananas and similar items, but the basket turned out to be bigger than I expected. I also thought it could be nice for storing avocados or kiwis. I only have one of each at the moment, but they would fit well in this basket. The smaller basket would look adorable if you bought several and stacked them. If you don't stack them, you might not even need the lid. Since it's made of mesh, you can easily see what's inside, which is really convenient. It makes me want to line up multiple baskets together. As for the larger one, bananas fit with plenty of extra space. Actually, it might even be a bit too big for bananas, but even larger bananas fit in just fine. I'm thinking about using it as a snack container. I tried putting some brightly colored snacks inside. The green ones stand out quite a bit, don't they? But it makes everything easy to see, which is nice. Since the green color was a bit too flashy, I tried rearranging things a little. But in the end, I still like how visible everything is. The biggest advantage of this basket is that it can be stacked.
By the way, for storing snacks, I also use the IKEA Cuggis boxes, which I highly recommended.
The lids are sold separately, and I especially love the bamboo lid. The lid just rests on top, so it's really easy to open and close. And since you can also stack these boxes, I've been using them a lot.
Now moving on to this new item. The color is absolutely adorable.
This is a storage container, and it comes with a cork lid. The main body has a dishwasher safe mark on it.
I love this color combination.
And the matte texture on the bottom part is also super cute. It comes in 2 different sizes, and this is the smaller one. I'm going to put some snacks in this one as well. I actually wanted to place it on my display shelf. Doesn't it look adorable? This display shelf is an IKEA Mosslanda shelf that I've installed upside down. If you're interested in how I set it up, please check out my previous video.
And now for this highly anticipated base.
It's been selling out really fast,
so it might already be out of stock.
But I'm sure they'll have the restock date listed,
so make sure to check it out. It's such a cute base.
The label with the barcode on the outside was pretty hard to remove, so I sprayed some alcohol on it and wiped it off. It came off really cleanly. The inside is hollow all the way through.
It's quite wide and my hand fits inside easily, so I think it will be easy to wash. The little face design is adorable, isn't it?
The front and back have different facial expressions. I tried placing an IKEA artificial plant in it, and even that alone looks really cute. I thought it would look great with basil growing in it, so a few days ago I planted some seeds. I plan to grow it using hydroponics. Once the sprouts come out, I'll transfer them into this vase and let them grow. I had hoped that a plastic bottle would fit inside to make cleaning easier, but it was just a bit too big. Is there even a bottle thinner than this? This vase can also be used to store a lint roller. That makes for a cute and practical storage idea. I'll be sure to show you how my basil grows in future updates. I'll also introduce more of my purchases in next week's video.
Oh, by the way,
I had the opportunity to participate in an IKEA segment for a Japanese TV show. This broadcast is within Japan, but I'm also involved in activities like this.
It's all thanks to your support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. I'll see you soon in the next video.